paid to him and the National Commissioner General Fani Masemola.
Hisalokho livele njalo igama lika Fani Masemola ku-General Commissioner wase-Gauteng ebugebengwini obuhleliwe u5 million wonke phohwe mvalamlomo, kanti owesifazane usebulalise indoda yakhe emva kokuba ihambe welanda esibhamanga bendoda yakhe exabana nowesilisa emva kokuba eshayisane ikabi emgaqweni owuthayila wayeka. Ungizwe umlando umfoka Mchunu usesurprise uPapa Peni emva koxolo oluhle abalenzile emva kwengxabano yabe besidonse isikhathi eside enkundleni zokuxhumana. Kanti ke mbukeli utshathu ugodo uhambile wayohalalisela uphakela umthakathi oyisihlobo sakhe khona lapha kaNongoma uphinde abe ngumkhaya wakhe. Asikubingelele mbukeli bese siphinde sikwamukela kweze namuhla. Siyathemba ukuthi mbukeli unethezekile lapho ngasemakhaya, nathi sinethezeke kakhulu ukuthi uhlale kanye nathi ngalesi sikhathi. Sithembeke mbukeli ukuthi sizohamba sonke size sifike ekuphetheni kwayo ingxoxo esinayo namhlanje. Wasikulethele indaba esicabanga ukuthi zizokushiya ujabule u-updated ukuthi kwenzakalani ezweni sakhile njengoba siphethe ngempela ezinotsho ehamba phambili. Namhlanje ke mbukeli sizothinta izihloko ezimbalwa nje njengoba siqale khona lapha emumva la sithe khona lisalokho livele njalo igama lika Fani Masemola oku-General Commissioner wase-Gauteng ebugebengwini obuhleliwe. Lapha ke mbukeli sikhuluma ngobugebengu obuvezwe osamisiwe u-General Commissioner wase-Mpumalanga lapho khona ekade enze i-press briefing nabezindaba ezokhipha amafayela abucayi kakhulu athinta isikhulu thizeni kwesport naye uGeneral Fani Masemola. Lezi zinsolo ke mbukeli ezisazophenywa kabanzi ngoba izinsolo lezi ngempela ezibucayi kakhulu ezithinta ngisho abantu abangasekho emhlabeni okulokhe kwalindwa ukuthi kwenziwe ukugcwaliswe ubulungiswa ekufeni kwalabo bantu, kodwa ubulungiswa kuze kube namhlanje abukazi benziwe. Justice has never been served until today. U-General Commissioner waseMpumalanga osamisiwe uzophenqulula konke lokho ukuthi ngabe amadokodo alahleka kanjani ngoba nedokodo idokhethi kubikwa ukuthi alikho ngokukhuluma kwakhe uGeneral Commissioner osamisiwe waseMpumalanga. Kodwa ke mbukeli ngithi njengamanje uthokozele ingxoxo esiphathele yona yakhe uGeneral Commissioner osamisiwe.
On 4 February 2025, Major General Mukangwe allegedly made a confession that the amount of 5 million rand was paid to him and the National Commissioner General Fani Masemola by a businessman by the name of Mr. Bobby Musiani Motaung to make sure that the Provincial Commissioner Lieutenant General Manamela does not return to work. If she does, the case dockets will be reopened, be arrested, as they are allegedly responsible for Jimmy Mhlala's death. The incident of exchanging money allegedly took place during January 2025 in Pretoria, Montana. Mukangwe also said that he is relieved because the National Commissioner General Masemola is part of the plan. He is sure that Manamela will never return to work, thus he is no longer panicking. The two dockets of 350-10-2012 and 307-04-2012 registered in Nelspruit, South African Police Service are both linked to Jimmy Mhlala's case. In case 350-10-2012, Mr. Bobby Musiani Motaung and other 5 suspects were arrested and later released on bail except Mr. Ramoas Michel, who was relieved with J534. On the 17th July 2022, the docket was taken from the investigating officer, Colonel Jerry Mapanga, to Lieutenant S.I. Mohapela in the National Anti-Corruption Unit, which he acknowledged only on the 12th October 2022. As the Provincial Commissioner, I was never consulted during the removal and the transferring of dockets. The last movement of the docket in the system is the 22 May 2024. Colonel Alfred Moloko knows how this docket ended. nationally without authorization. Case 307 of 12. 3074 of 2012, Mr. Bobby Musiani Mutaung and other 2 were arrested and released on bail for fraud in relation to the Mbombela Stadium tender. The docket was taken from Captain Nyatigasi, attached to Nelspruit SAPS. According to the system, on the 11th October 2019, Brigadier Mojela booked the docket to the senior public prosecutor and returned it on the same day. This is pure manipulation of the system. This docket too was taken from the province by Colonel Moloko, who failed to report to the provincial commissioner when he was asked during the meetings held with him on the 31st May 2023 and 6 June 2023. Colonel Moloko said he was tired of being used by Major General Mukangwe. The suspicion was Colonel Moloko knew where the docket was. Prior to my suspensions, there were many dockets which were not accounted for in the office of Mukangwe. They are far beyond 19 dockets. When I demanded a progress enforcing accountability, Mukangwe was amongst those complaining to the National Commissioner about the Provincial Commissioner. And to that effect, my powers to discipline senior officers were taken. Eventually, I was suspended by General Masemola for enforcing discipline, despite the fact that I made him aware of my frustrations.
U5 million rand wemvala mlomo. Ngabe Mbukeli le mali lena ukube bekunguwena General Commissioner ophethe ngaleso sikhathi okwazi ukuthi wenze izinto zenzeke njengoba kusolakala ukuthi ufane Masemula le mali eza kuye ngoba kuthenjwe ukuthi uyena umuntu okwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeke nangempela izinto zenzeka ngendlela ezenzeka ngazo kwama konke okwakumele kwenzeke njengamanje njengoba kukhomba ukuthi inkinga iyaba kuphi wena kube wawuyena umenzi wezinto zenzeke ufani Masemula General Commissioner wawuyothatha yena u5 million rand noma wawuyogcina isithunzi sakho njengoba wafunga ukuthi wena uzohlonipha umthetho ngokweqiniso nangokuthembeka. Mbukeli u5 million rand lesikhuluma ngawo usungamsola mamsola kodwa ke kuza ngokuthi wena uyibona kanjani le. Asiqhubekele phambili Mbukeli ngoba isikhathi asinaso ngalendlela exakile. Sidlulele laphana ngizwe umlando kaMculu noPapa Peni oseko abadala. Thina besibazi ke kuyimbangi sazi nje ukuthi labo ohlangana khona angeke kumile njani kuyoqhuma inqindi kuqhuma isibhakela kuqhuma unyawo kodwa sibona namhlanje beshaya isicathamya ndawonye beshaya isipharapara ndawonye kumnandi kunje yabedansela izingoma kodwa ke ungizumela vamcunu ube esihlonipha uPapa Peni ngesipho engicabanga sihloniphe ke kakhulu sihlonipheke kakhulu ngoba ngisho uPapa Peni njengoba lesipho ezosithatha sise ngasekhaya uyofika hlonishwe ngaso.
Nakesa mwananga ona kumwananga ukupapa nakesa mwananga siyabonga nakesa mwananga ukupapa nakesa baba mwananga kale ndugu
yeah presents for you
baba Papa Peni ngathi bangihamba ngathola ama stationery awu 2000 kanye nama ecathulo zi 1000 and then because ngi represent the whole country I decided ukuthi as a president of the Pinga Nation not be given to only abantu bakwaZulu and also encouraged by my sister here Tebogo Mahlayela and siyacela baba Papa Peni as a leader isimhlonipha uthini kakhulu musically culturally and ngayo indlela sicela uthathe nazo icathulo baba uhambe nazo esigabeni
Yo,
ukuthi baba
yo.
uphe noma ngabe umuphi umndeni
Aye Mwananga. Avule ngibone phela. Ngoze ngifakele amabhomu amvule ngibone. Oh wow. How many? Zingakana? Zingaki?
mhlawumbe ubantu
17.
oh 17 ama-box is 17 by 17 shuthi almost 40
Okay.
yes
No.
40 students.
Ngiyabonga. Na cancer n'wina ntaku ta mnika kwele Giyani. Yi huma kwala ka Mabhinqa. Namuntlha a hi hlangana ku ri ku va na ntwanano wa rixaka South Africa hinkwayo. Se na cancer mpo. Na cancer n'wananga.
nakhe
Onu ku n'wananga ku papa. Na cancer n'wananga.
siyabonga
Na cancer n'wananga ku papa.
nakhetha baba
Ayi n'wananga. Leswi swi huma namuntlha ku ri ta mi nyika kwale makaya namuntlha hi vanhu van'we we are one nyimpi ya hina hinkwenu the fight is for all of us the peace is inside of us ni vulavula hi xilungu xa broken because I grow broken and then
I feel better
yeah
We understand.
you understand
Yeah.
it's a communication
Yes.
I speak poor English because I grow poor
And it's not your
I'm not
language.
the English.
Not your language.
He's saying I'm a scapula.
Yes.
I'm trying to make them to understand. Look, no, I was Xitsonga shanga and I'm getting to wow. Say no, today I'm so happy. I believe umuntu man join lapa I
Being the
inclination
izwa ukuthi ukhuluma isishangane ngingamshayi. Uyimana wenu.
Yeah.
Because once you march you have all the nation. All the language. Yeah, ngiyabonga. Nkeseshinene. Everything is aye. Everything is Hayi wena yathukana.
mana zezicathulo ziye village zingaphelele ingane zakhe eziwu-32
Zinomizi yazo. Yeah, I'm only the two. The youngest 15 and 7.
but soon and very soon you
Umsebenzi wami lo wakunikela.
please invite us. Please invite us. We want to come and
No, na cancer sunene, na cancer. Hey, I'm not singing here. Take the
Nakesa
mic.
Papa.
Siyabonga baba, siyabonga kakhulu.
Yo,
Nakesa,
you make
Baba.
my day.
Nakesa,
Minendele siku. So shena boxing sithela kwala. Suya Giyani.
Yeah, kahamba nakho konke phela baba.
You can see.
And then when you invite us, we come with more. And please don't change
No.
attitude yakho baba and the way you are in parliament. We also follow you and siyayibona zonke izinto zenzayo nendlela okhuluma ngayo nendlela okumele is because when you come they think the comedian is here the only they want is to laugh like this stupid because Malema don't always laugh at you and try to make you
Abanye abantu abathuki. Mangithuka wazi kusasa uzongena kuphi. But what I want to say ngiyabonga na cancer. Because sinene inkwasi leswi endleka kulani na cancer ikubuyisa South Africa yibashulishiwe.
siyabonga kakhulu baba. Siyabonga.
Lokho
Respect you.
umsebenzi wami is what I do.
Thank you.
I believe today ngoba singla siyakhuluma bazobuya endleleni ngoba to tell you the
Bona
truth
bongulayele phela baba.
ngoba bathi tamati selabona lewana libonisa yonke waba rotten tomatoes manje you are a fresh tomatoes today
Where do I get a fresh water?
kwasuka imbungu lewana engcolisa zonke imbungu lo mfana mara namhla zishayelekile ziyaphila zonke thina siyahlonipha eke lento manilo afowethu nathi zobakhona itabakhona kanwini
Angidaba khona ke
Mani
nami
ake
nami
lapha.
ngangwena. Nami ngizakhensa khona lapho.
ngabeni mangela la
Nami ngizakhensa khona lapho.
okay Shinene
Siyabonga. You guys
Can
can
we
take
take pictures with the shoes, Mondi?
Mina angifuni
Ukhona,
ukuthatha ama pictures kakhulu nezintombi ezinhle ngoba vele kube ngathi yami.
Hanging on walking tall. Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard, making less. Some days are bad, bad at best. Foolish notions, foolish lies. I set to thinking I could make something of me, playing every game except the lottery, serving everybody else and told myself I'm free. Misery is a showy state of bad company. Foolish notions, foolish lies. Foolish notions, they cut me down, down to size. You came along and lifted me up. The going got tough, but the tough got some love.
Uyizwa injani ingoma eshawe uPapa Peni? Ngicabanga ukuthi uhambisana naye ungizwe umlando kaMchunu ngoba uyezwa ukuthi ama lyrics ezulu akhona lana, ngisho isigqi rhythm yengoma zikaMaskandi ikhona lana. Wena uthini ngayo yonke gesture kangizwe umlando kaMchunu noPapa Peni? I-division usayibona yini lana kulesizwe samaTsonga nesamaZulu, or ubona i-unity esiyakhiwe lezi insizwa out of ama-differences akade eba nawo lawa asebeba lungisele njengoba sekungamathi nolimi? Ngine-sure ukuthi kusazongena ama-call left and right and center. Uzokhumbula-ke ukuthi ungizwe umlando kaMchunu ukumemezele ukuthi soon kuyiwa eLimpopo la khona kuyoshawa i-operation abahambe abokufika. Uphinde wakuphinda-ke futhi lokho maduze nje kumavidiyo akhe akade ewenza lapha naye uPapa Peni. Bakayina maTsonga akayina, Machangane akayina, Ngwena nereni lokho nibona tate ngizwe iPapa Peni batwanana so Ngwena nereni ngayena. Ayivulavuleni la ka comment section, nikhenzile bakayina nikhenzile.
Ngibingelele sanibonani bakithi. Yebo khona. Cha mina ukubonga nje ngibongele umfowethu ngokuhle kwenzekile. Nanokuthi nje isifiso esikhona ukuthi uNkulunkulu amgcina phila. Amen. Ngoba kuningi okuhle azokwenza. Mina sinokuxoxa ke nayo into eyiningi. Amen. Akekho umuntu othandiswe la kubo njengalo. Yebo. Nothanda abantu bawathanda abantu phakela. Ngendlela eyisimanga. Hlale ekhathalela abantu bendawo ngaso sonke isikhathi. So sifisa nje uNkulunkulu ampha amandla isibindi unaso vele sendalo. Kodwa nje ameseke amvikele akhula hlondlobala abengangentsha abazondi okhahlapha. Ngithi nje mfowethu qhubeke nje ibambe kanjalo nenhlonipho ke abaningi ngeke ngibone sebecomment iyahlonipha lensizwa mabembona ezizinto noma ekhuluma nabantu abadala noma ekhuluma namakhosi abasithi inhlonipho sayifunda kanzima kanjani sikhula lapha emakhaya kwakungelula ade ngihleka nje ngibona njengoba ngidriver ngigudla lapha phansi kwentaba uzagoye ngithi madoda imbuzi ngangiyilanda la ngineminyaka e7 8 ngangihamba ngedwa ngizofika lapha kwaZagoye ngizofika 20 phansi ngale ngihamba ngedwa qhaba hambe ngithuswa zimpunzi lapha seyifika hayi sekhona ke inyamazana la bayibulela ngebhamba babe ngakani hawu kwakuvuka impunzi uzobuya la uyakhona ngangilungisa imbuzi ngize ngifike la mina lapha kwaZagoye ngibuka lapha la kwaNtshangase ke madoda amasima akithi nje njoba ngikhulile ekhaya kumama kwadumisa ke mina umama wagana phesheya komzini lapha kwaNgobe kodwa wagana sengizelwe mhlambe ukuthi mhlambe khona umfowethu uthe wayefunda nomama lapha
khona ngasho
mhlambe mhlambe wayekhona kumama esina lapha eGhana lapha ngoba kuthiwa udwendo lakhe lolukhulu ngendlela ethi makuthiwa ikhana nginsizwa kanje eGhana lapha kodwa ngase ngikhona ke ngakhulile ekhaya kumama wadumisa lapha eSheki so sasihamba lonke leliyazi ekhathide athi ngibuka nje amasima kithi sewamile inqabe kanje madoda sidakeni lapha ngalana emozoqhamuka esikhaleni ukuthi ngithi hawu madoda sasihamba zonke lezi zinto ngangicishe ngabulayo enhlwathi mina lapha kwaMazayini ngango upho undodana lo
umdala
hayi lo mncane phela
umncane insizwa unathena
hayi ngangaphansi ke ngoba cishe ngilako 8 ugogo lapha akathuka khona kwethuka kangabe safuna ngiphume endlini ngicishe ngibulayo enhlwathi ngikhathele ngihleli phe wetshe lapha kade anginakile ukuthi umthakathi wendaba ubuthise engakanani namhlanje ngiyangazi ngiyibone ngangaleya ngamehlo isiqali ngiyayizwa lento kuba ngumsindo kamnandi lapha yini le anginakile ngoba ngikhathele mangiphendula ngithi nje amehlo hayi into engayibona lapha ngethuka lapha ngashiya kwamankonyane kwasani ngabuyela ekhaya ngafika ngayixoxa indaba wethuka ugogo kwaphela mhlawumbe inyanga ngingaphumi nje ukuyofuna inkomo ayihambelena kwesikhathi ayobheka izimbuzi ngenxa ukuthi washawa kakhulu uvalo ngangisengane so ke ngithi bafowethu asibumbaneni akuthi ma uphakele dlondlobala njengoba simbone dlondlobala kodwa ekhaya abantu basekhaya bebemesekile bemsupport uthando nje kuphela abafowethu olufunekayo akukho kunye siyabonga kakhulu angabe mude nina basengwesene ngiwavuma